The sound of snoring can be very disturbing. Yet more disturbing is the fact that snoring is actually the lesser problem. Snoring can easily lead to exhaustion, lack of concentration, memory problems, and even increases the chance of heart attacks, high blood pressure, and strokes. This is why the development of Night Watch was so important. A small and simple device which allows you to go back to sleep silently. As opposed to previous solutions that were big and cumbersome, Night Watch is a small and simple device which utilizes the latest technology. It comes with a highly sensitive sensor system placed under the mattress and with a wristwatch worn on the hand, nothing else. Night Watch identifies the specific brain activity causing the snoring and prevents it from the source. That's how it prevents snoring and the bigger problems accompanied by it. That's right, starting today you can go back to sleep without uncomfortable masks and elbows in the ribs, only with a watch on your hand and a smile on your face. Night Watch. Life can be so different.